So today we are going to have a conversation about the pros and cons of internet. So this is
Yeah,
going to be a
internet.
kind of debate session. So before we move on to the topic, you all have to give your, you both have to give your introduction. So let's start from Pragya.
I'm Pragya. I study in 7th class. I live in Delhi with my grandmother, parents, and with my little younger brother.
Okay. Now, ma'am. Vanita, ma'am, you tell.
Yeah. So my name is Vanita Kalita and I am from Assam. I am a teacher by profession. Nowadays I'm learning spoken English.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Sunil, and basically I'm from Haryana, but right now I live in Delhi. So now let's move on to the topic. So
Yes.
let's start from Pragya. Again, let's start from Pragya. So Pragya, start.
Advantages of internet are information on
You are
any
going to
other
talk.
topic.
You are going to talk about advantages.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
Advantages of internet are information on any other topic. It has powerful search engine, funding, online funding, education. It helping us to take online classes in this pandemic. It helps to connect with friends and family. There are lots of advantages of internet. Internet is accessible 24/7, which means it doesn't close. Entertainment.
Okay, that's great. So you are talking about the cons, Vanita, ma'am. You are talking about cons. You are talking about
So
disadvantage.
yeah. I'm talking about but has Pragya completed?
Yeah.
Done or you something? So okay.
Yes.
I am reading. Then I can talk.
Yeah.
I am reading.
You can talk.
Yeah. So I am reading to talk about the pros or can say drawbacks or the disadvantages of using internet. I think most of the people nowadays, most of the people, I think I don't know the exact data. I think for 50 to 60% people are on the internet. We know that that a coin has two sides. Similarly,
Yeah.
the invention and discoveries has its own pros and cons, like advantages and disadvantages. So first, I want to give my example. What are the problems? I am facing while using internet? So I don't know why I'm suffering or going through this. When I use internet like mobile phones or laptop for more than 1 hour, I get headache. So I can use mobile phones or laptop more than 1 hour in one time. So if I use more than 1 hour, then I get headache or back pain. So I think most of the people are using. Most of the people are facing health problems while using internet. Like when we use internet through like mobile phones, laptop or desktop, then we can't move. We have to sit in a particular place, and because of that, we are facing so many health issues like back pain, obesity, and even headache also. And I think hacking is the biggest problem.
Yeah.
While using internet nowadays, most of the people are fear of most of the people are fear of that in any moment, like our personal data will be hacked by hackers. Is the biggest problem of using internet.
Yeah.
When any random people are able to hack our personal data, so it's dangerous for everyone. And I think cyberbullying is the biggest problem we are facing while using internet. Like you can see YouTube, Facebook, and anywhere. I think most of the people are bullied because of their weight, height, and even color also. and most of the people are also bullied because of over a language. If we can't, like, I'm talking about English. If we can't speak English with like other people who are able to speak English fluently, maybe they are going to bully us.
Yeah.
So it is a cyberbullying is the biggest problem, and because of that, most of the youth are suffering so many problems. Like they are depressed because of that, and some of the youth have also took their life, taken their life, or most of the youth are committing suicide because of cyberbullying. So I think
Yeah.
this is the biggest the drawbacks using internet. There are lots of cons while using internet.
Yeah.
And I the most important and I think largest or biggest disadvantages or drawbacks is we are not we can't be productive while using internet. Nowadays the situation is like I think everything is available on the internet, so most of the teacher, even student also, so if they want to get answer of any question, they try to like search on Google and they
Yeah.
get the answer from Google. Because of that we are like losing our productivity, so it makes us less productive.
Yeah, you are right. So you both have spoken very well, and I would like to say that though we can't deny the fact that there are lots of advantages of internet, however, there are lots of disadvantages as well. Nowadays, if I talk about student, in the name of studies, they start they start playing games and they start watching different kind of videos. They are using nowadays they are using Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Because of that, we can get trapped sometime, as you told, Vanita ma'am, as you told. So we can get trapped because of using social media in wrong way. So it is good if we use it in a right way. There should be limit. If we use it in limit, then it is good. But we should not use it in wrong way, and we should not use it for a long time. Nowadays everybody, lots of frauds are going on, and everybody is getting addicted to like internet, be it children and adult, and some old people as well. Nowadays you can see everybody at their home, they just take their mobile, and all the time they just keep using their mobile and their laptop internet. So it has lots of impact on our eyes as well. Our eyes get
Yes, yes.
strained,
So we are
and lots of we are suffering from big back pain, as you told. So yeah, and we are getting lazy also. Due to this, we are getting
Yes.
everything just by sitting at home. So we just order everything by sitting at home. So we are getting lazy. Yeah, nowadays we can't go outside. It's okay, but not only. It's not about Corona times. Earlier also people just used to order everything just by sitting at home. So it is not good. Yeah, if we use it in right way, then there are lots of advantages. We get lots of information. You know, we learn so many things, and we can connect with people who are sitting far from us, like sitting in other countries, in other state and other cities. We can connect with them. Even we can talk to them like we are talking now. So we can talk to them. We can talk to them like using like a video call. So it is good if we use in right way. So we should not use it in wrong way. So this is what I would like to say. So
Yeah,
this is
we
all.
should know about the good, the bad
Yeah,
things before
yeah,
using the internet.
yeah. We should know.
We need to make it. We need to make it accountable. Like at what time we are going to use
Yeah,
internet. Is beneficial for us or not?
yeah,
We should aware of that thing.
yeah. We should be aware.
The pros and cons. We should be aware. We should aware. We
But
should be aware of the pros and cons of internet.
you are right. But some people think that it is the like source of entertainment. They just start using it for like they just start playing games and watching videos, funny videos.
Yes, yes. And internet, there are lots of like knowledge you can study
Yeah, we
from the
get lots of
internet.
We get lots of knowledge if we use
Don't
it.
use.
Yeah.
Yeah. But people don't know how to use in a good way. That's why the problem is
Especially kids,
day by
especially
day.
children, especially children. They don't know what is good and what is bad for them. So
For
this
them.
this kind of problem we are facing nowadays.
Mhm.
So would you like to say something, or should we end our session?
I think after the do you want to say something?
Hmm.
No, she doesn't
No.
want to say anything. I think we should end our session.
Or-
You both have spoken very well. It was great talking to you. Bye bye.
I think yeah,
Yeah, see? Go ahead.
so I think yeah, in limited time we can't like describe all the things like good things or bad things. We can discuss in limited time, na? Only 15 hours or half an hour. It will take lot of time to discuss like in a greater way.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to describe all like all the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages in a greater way, it will take more time.
Yeah, it takes more time. It takes more time. You are right. So, so now we should end.
So, yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Thanks. Thanks to
Thank
both
you
of
for
you. Bye bye.
thank you for joining. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.